In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an SVG logo in Squarespace. If you want a crisp, scalable logo that stays sharp on different screen sizes, using an SVG is a great option. In Squarespace, one simple way to place that SVG on a page is by using a code block. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open the page or section in Squarespace where you want the logo to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on ADD Block. This is the starting point for inserting new content into your layout. Since an SVG often needs to be embedded as code, we're not choosing a regular image block here. After that, type code into the block search. This helps Squarespace quickly filter the available block types so you can find the right one faster, especially if you're working in a layout with many options. As you type, you should see the code block appear in the results. Next, click on Code. This inserts a code block into the page. The reason this step matters is that SVGs are often pasted directly as code, rather than uploaded like standard image files. Using the proper block ensures Squarespace can display the logo correctly. Once the block has been added, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the editor for that specific code block, where you'll be able to paste in the SVG markup. If you don't open the edit view, you won't have access to the area where the code needs to go. Now paste the code into the editor. Make sure you're pasting the full SVG code exactly as intended, because even a small formatting issue can affect how the logo renders. If your SVG includes custom sizing, spacing, or styling, this is where that information will be placed as well. It's a good idea to double check that the code is complete before saving. After pasting, review the logo on the page to confirm it displays properly. If it looks too large or too small, that usually means the SVG's built-in dimensions or surrounding layout may need adjustment. Also, keep in mind that SVGs are ideal for logos because they remain clean and professional looking on high-resolution screens. That's the process for using an SVG logo in Squarespace through a code block. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very quick and practical way to add custom branding to your site.